Good morning, dear students. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, Motions of the Earth. So let's begin with our class. Students, what do you mean by motion? So motion means movement. Now let us move to our topic, motion of the earth. The earth has two motion, namely rotation and revolution. The earth moves around its axis, and this movement is called the rotation of the earth. Or rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis. So what do you mean by axis? Axis is an imaginary line on which something rotates. An axis is an invisible line around which an object rotates or spins. The earth rotates about an imaginary line that passes through the North Pole and South Pole of the planet. This line is called the axis of rotation. Earth rotates about this axis once each day, approximately 24 hours. As you know that the earth receives light from the sun, and as the shape of the earth is spherical, that is round, only half portion of it gets light from the sun at a time. The other half remains in dark. In this way, day and night are caused, and the earth completes one rotation around its axis in about 24 hours. This rotation is the daily motion of the earth. And when the earth rotates on its own axis, only one portion of the earth's surface comes into the rays of the sun and experience daylight. The other portion, which is away from the sun rays, will be in darkness. And as the earth rotates from west to east, every part of the earth's surface will be brought under the sun at some time or the other. A part of the earth's surface that emerges from darkness into the sun rays experiences sun rays. Later, when it is gradually obscured from the sun's beam, it experiences sunset. The sun is in fact stationary, and it is the earth which rotates. The illusion is exactly the same as when we travel in fast moving train. The trees and houses around us appear to move, and we feel that the train is stationary. So this is the rotation of the earth. So now let us move and see what is revolution. So next let us see what is revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. So what is an orbit? So orbit is a regular repeating path that an object in space takes around another one. In our solar system, the earth orbits the sun, as do the other 8 planets. Students, do you know that the earth's revolution causes the temperature condition that gives us spring, summer, fall and winter season, and which season it is depend on whether you live in the northern or southern hemisphere, because the earth's axis tilts towards one of the two as it moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun at an average speed of 29.8 km per second. And the gravitational pull makes the earth move faster when the earth is closer to the sun. Thus, the speed of revolution is not uniform. And the period taken by the earth to make one complete round of the sun is 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 45.51 seconds, which is taken as 365 days and 6 hours. So, this is revolution of the earth. So, the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. So, I think it is clear what is rotation of the earth and revolution of the earth. So, this is all for today. Here I conclude. Thank you.